Sino bang sinisisi ng taong bayan dito? Kami. Oo. Hindi naman kayo masisisi. Hindi masisisi ang kontraktor. Hindi masisisi, hindi pa. Kami ang nasisisi dito. Oo. Kakainis na eh. Totoo lang. Where is D.E. Alcantara? D.E. Alcantara, let me just ask you something, no? The projects that the president visited, and he began to complain about it because it was actually a ghost project, it was a substandard project, it was not actually completed. Do you agree with what the president said? Do you know about it?
Your Honor, I don't know about it, but I agree to what President has said.
So therefore, do you agree with what the president said?
Yes, Your Honor.
What the president found out?
Yes, Your Honor.
But you do not know if that is a ghost project or a non-completed project or a substandard project.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, look, why don't you know when you should know?
As I told
Tuloy
before,
lang. Dapat ba alam mo? Hindi. Dapat alam mo. Correct?
yes, Your Honor.
Dapat alam mo. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi mo alam? Tell me why. Why is it that you don't know? You're under oath, ha?
Yes, Your Honor. I base my observation on the submitted reports of my personnel, Your Honor.
Oh, you base your report on your trust. Sabi mo kanina eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung pagkitiwala mo sa mga kontraktor. Tama?
No po. Doon po sa mga assigned project engineers po.
Sinong gumawa ng mga assigned projects?
Mga personnel po ng DPWH from project inspector, project engineer, materials engineer, and the implementing section chief po, Your Honor.
But they're not monitoring it. In fact, the president said it's not even completed. Nakalagay completed ng DPWH. Ibig sabihin, you're not able to monitor. You do not monitor the beginning of the construction. You do not monitor while it's being constructed. You do not monitor when it is finished.
Your Honor, there are some personnel who is assigned to monitor from the very beginning of the project, Your Honor.
But you admitted kanina that you are not able to monitor them. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, who suggested to you those contractors if you do not know them personally? Do you know them personally?
I don't know them personally.
You do not know them personally, but they're your friend.
Hindi ko po masasabing friends because pagka nanalo naman po contractor, they sometimes coordinated with us, nagko-courtesy. Ganun lang po, Your Honor.
So how did they become the contractors of your project?
Because of the bidding, Your Honor. Open bidding naman po ito, Your Honor. Everybody is entitled to join the public bidding.
So doon mo lang sila nakilala?
Yes, Your Honor.
And afterwards, nung ginagawa na nila yung mga proyekto, syempre, kinikilala ka na nila.
Your Honor, hindi po ako nakikipag-usap sa kanila about that implementation, Your Honor.
Na, itong mga contractors natin dito, siguro, hindi naman siguro magpapagawa ng ghost project yan na walang signal kanino man tao. There's always someone behind that. They could not even make a substandard project if there's no one behind that. Am I right? Ibig mo sabihin, itong mga contractor na ito, gagawin nila on their own? I'd like to ask Wawaw. Sabi ng Wawaw, sino yung Wawaw? Wala na? Oo. Yung sinong contractor dyan, I don't think any contractor here would even admit that they have actually built substandard projects. Any contractor here that would answer that to me, at sabihin sa akin, hindi ako gumawa ng substandard project at wala akong ghost project na ginawa. Andiyan ang mga ibang contractor. Can you please answer that to me right now? Any contractor? Meron ba?
Chairman Abante, all the contractors present had already made a general denial that they do ghost projects and that they do substandard projects.
General denial. So, ibig sabihin yan, even under oath, Mr. Chair, even under oath, they are actually lying, you know, sa mga bagay na ito. So, sana talagang maging totoo tayo lahat dito sapagkat tama yung sinabi ni Congressman Romy Acope. Sino bang sinisisi ng taong bayan dito? Kami. Oo. Hindi naman kayo masisisi. Hindi masisisi ang kontraktor. Hindi masisisi, kami yan nasisisi dito. Oh. Kahit na for example, wala kaming kinalaman sa budget niyan, hindi kami humawak ng pera diyan. Kayo lahat ang humahawak ng pera. Oh, you exchange hands as far as money is concerned. So, paano natin mababago itong mga bagay nito? How can we change this? Because we have, right now, gusto kong magkaroon tayo dito ng desisyon paano natin babaguhin itong problemang ito. Do you have any proposal to me, Director the DL Alcantara? How can we able to change this? Kakainis na eh. Totoo lang.
It's my own opinion lang po, no? It's not the opinion of the department, Your Honor. I think we can involve the local government in joining the inspection of the projects po. Yun lang po, Your Honor.
Well, fine with me if we could be able to involve the local government into the inspection of the project, you know? Ako, I'm also fine. Okay din sa akin if we will coordinate with the LGU. Okay rin sa akin yun. Okay rin sa akin yun if we will consult the LGU. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, yung corruption. Hindi pinag-uusapan yung permit, hindi pinag-uusapan yung consultation. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, yung pollution, actually, ng corruption na yan. Oh. Diba? Naniniwala ka ba yun? Si COA, for example. Naniniwala ba kayo, COA, na may mga pagkakataon, may collusion din ng COA sa DPWH?
My part, Mr. Chair, wala po.
On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin on your part? Wala
Sir,
kayong alam?
Bilang auditor po, sir, wala po, sir.
Wala kayong alam. Diba? Personally, wala kang alam. Tama?
May I clarify, sir, kung ano pong gusto niyong sabihin sa wala?
Sabi mo on your part eh. On your part, wala. Anong ibig sabihin ng on your part? Ibig sabihin yan, personally, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Tama po, Your Honor.
Sa corruption, sa collusion, sa corruption, wala kang alam. Am I right?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yan. Pero, meron. Whether it be local government unit between the LGU and the COA. Ano tawag sa LGU? COA auditor. Oo. Meron, sa pananaw mo, meron din yan, di ba? Hindi naman pwede na merong corruption sa mga bagay na yan, hindi alam ng COA eh.
Hindi ko po masasagot, Your Honor.
Hindi ko masagot. Okay. Ngayon, I'd like to ask, Yusek Cabral, tell me, how can we solve this problem now that we have? Because right now, the president is not only inspecting, but the president is angry. So how can we resolve the problem?
Dapat po talaga may managot din sa mga ghost project po. Meaning, kung sino po yung mga accountable na tao, dapat po silang managot dahil hindi po tama yung nangyayari na may mga substandard at ghost project po. Kasi po, pag wala pong mananagot, baka po maging, baka isipin ng iba, makakalusot po lang. So, kailangan pong yung managot.
Actually, we have been having this hearing since this morning. Walang nananagot eh. Walang nagsasabi ng dapat talaga, ganito. I would like to ask the contractors present now that denied having ghost projects or substandard projects. How can we solve this problem? Tell me, sa ating mga contractors, paano? You can answer one by one. Whoever would like to start answering. Sige po. Oh. Sino yung mga contractor dyan? Pakisagot lang yung tanong ko, how can we solve this problem right now? This is a nagging problem. It has been going on ever since. Di ba, Kowa? Been going on ever since.
Mr. Chair, based po sa mga findings po ng mga auditors natin, may mga observations po tayong nakita sa mga deficiencies po nila.
That's why it's been going on ever since. Am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O yan. I'd like to find out from our contractors. Kayo, ang gumagawa ng mga proyekto natin. Kayo ho. O, paano po natin masosolve itong problemang ito? Wala pong ayaw magbigay ng solusyon? O, sana walang anumang cover-up dito o pinagtatakpan natin. No? Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest na walang gustong sumagot ng mga contractor. How can we solve the problem? Because right now, we are not investigating, accusing someone of a wrongdoing. What we are trying to do here is trying to solve this problem. Di ba? Sa lahat ng proyekto, buong Pilipinas po ito eh. So ang tanong ko sa inyo, how can we solve this problem? We'd like to find out from you because the solution will not only come from us. Oh. It should come also from the contractors themselves. Sapagkat kayong gumagawa eh. Oh, kayo ang pinangalanan. Oh, tama ba ako? Kayo ang pinangalanan eh.